Hello students, now let us study one more concept, that is arc length. We know that the circumference of a unit circle is 2 pi, that is if the radius of the circle is 1, the circumference is 2 pi into 1, that's equal to 2 pi. And one complete revolution of initial side subtend an angle of 2 pi radian, because you know that 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. More generally, if a circle of radius r, an arc length r will subtend an angle of 1 radian, because the definition of the radian is says like that. If the length of arc is equal to radius, the angle subtended is equal to 1 radian. Now you see here, if the radius of the circle is 7 units, now you can observe that this is the length of arc and this is the angle. If you increase the length of arc, definitely the angle also increases. When this arc length is 7, it is 1 radian. If you still increase the arc length, and you can clearly observe the angle also increases. When it is at the other end, this angle is pi radian. And if you complete one rotation, you know that length of this arc is 2 pi into 7, because the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, you know that, and it is 2 pi into 7. And if you want to find the arc length, we can apply this concept for deriving the length of arc of a circle. And it is known that equal arcs of a circle subtend equal angle at the center. Means if you take any 2 points on the circle, and if the length of arc is same, then definitely angle subtend at the center is also equal. And in a circle of radius arc, an arc length r subtends an angle whose measure is 1 radian, and thus we will have arc length L will be proportional to an angle subtended at the center. If theta is the angle subtended by an arc of length L, then L by theta is constant, and which is equal to r by 1, because when the length of arc is r, angle subtended is 1. Here the 1 is 1 radian. That's why if you write theta here, this theta should be in radian measure only, because we have taken here r by 1, and where 1 is a radian measure. Thus, if in a circle of radius r, an arc length L subtends an angle theta radian at the center, we have L is equal to r into theta, where theta measured in radians.